Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you today? Today is my filming day. And since I was filming, I decided I must do this because it's sitting right in front of me. So I have no choice but to show you how this works. And what it is, it's an instant scarf and I need to show this to you. Anyway, I would like to welcome you all to my channel, Hijabz&You and me. Welcome. If you haven't been here before, please, I hope that you stay. I hope that you like the contents you're about to look at, and hopefully you stay to the end. For you, my viewers that are here with me and look forward to my uploads every day, I thank you for your love and your support and your encouragement. It means a whole lot because I want us to build this platform. But the only way I can build it is if you are there with me and I'm there for you. So together we're going to build it. So I thank you. I thank each and every one of you. And for those that have been with me, please make sure you share this video with your friends and your family and your extended. The more that looks at it, the better it is for us. If we can share the wearing of a hijab and being respectful, and we can get one sister, encourage her to wear a hijab, we would have done good. So please, if you like the contents and you're here because you're enjoying my video, please share it with your friends and your families. Yes, I'm here to encourage these sisters, to show you and me that wear the hijab. We tried new different styles, new ways of wrapping it and, new colors. But I'm also here to encourage all of you young sisters, old sisters. It doesn't matter. Age has nothing to do with this. If you have even the thought of wearing the hijab, we're here to support you. It is an important step in life if you get that and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you that calling and you can put your hijab on. It will be the most wonderful thing for you, for your life. And for those sisters that don't wear the hijab, you know what? I'm here to encourage you. It's a blessing to do it. There's no discrimination on anyone, none whatsoever. It is all from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The calling comes from Allah, and it is from Allah that it comes to you and me and everyone. But if by looking at my video, you're encouraged to put a hijab on, I am thankful. And then the reason for me sitting here on this platform would have been achieved. Because I want to help each and every one of you that has even a thought, or not even a thought, or just by looking at the video. If you can start doing this, it's a blessing for all of us. So I beseech each one of you, make an effort, share it with your friends and family. And somebody, someone looking at it, if they get that call, you and me, we will get that reward for it. Not that we're looking for reward, but listen, filling up the bucket is never too much. We have to do every bit in this world to prepare ourselves for the akhirah, for the next life. So we must do our bit. And if by sharing is your bit, alhamdulillah, we would have achieved something. We would have done something good for ourselves. So yes, please do share with your friends and family. And that's only if you're here because you're liking it. And I appreciate each one of you. Now, today's tutorial is a simple, quick one. Very quick. I know I like to talk and I like to interact with you, but please let me know what you're feeling, your thoughts, let me know. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me. So I want to share this really quick tutorial with you today. Today I have an instant scarf on. These are called instant scarf, and what it is, it's already ready for you. It's got the tie and all that, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this really beautiful look. It's so beautiful. It's like a polyester. It's like a chiffon. I do believe it is chiffon. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got some piping here that's got, this one is gold piping, and it's padded in the front to give you that really nice clean look. And let me show you what it is. It's so beautiful. You will want to have it. And if you want to have a scarf like this, just let me know, because I carry the scarves. I have my Gmail account is there, my Instagram is there. Please do contact me if you're looking for something like this. Any one of the scarves that you see on my channel, if you're interested, please let me know. Okay, so like I said, this is a very simple affair. Simple. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. So what it is, that's your scarf. It's a rectangular scarf with an added piece on here. And what that is for is for tying it and making it the way you saw it on me. So I'm going to show you how we got that look. But before that, I want to show you what I have on here. And I'm just wearing a tube just for, I like it snug. I have my Ninja, which covers everything. Everything is covered. And this is a bit thin. The fabric is thin, that you can see. But if you have on an undercap or one of these tubing or a Ninja like I do, it will all be covered and there won't be anything to worry about. So now here we are. So what you're going to do is hold that extra portion that's stitched onto the scarf, and you're going to just put it here. It's got two ties, see there? And you're going to evenly put it here and take it in the back. And we're going to give it a knot. You're just tying a basic tie in the back. Tie it as tight as you want, you know, whatever makes you comfortable. And just, it's a simple tie. And then you've got all this fabric. You've got a short side, and then you've got a really long side. And that's all it is. Now, the way it's been made, like it's been stitched so perfectly, they've already made the pleat here. So all you're going to do is leave this side here, and you're going to wrap this under your neck and bring it over. So simple. And you're going to bring it here and use a simple stick pin there. And that's all we're going to do. Now, if you're not wearing a Ninja, you can stick it up here. If you're not wearing a Ninja like I am, because I have the fabric here for the pin to stick on, if you're not wearing a Ninja, then you have to stick it on the top. And that's it. And all you're going to do is just fix your plaits, and voila, you are good to go. Isn't that beautiful? It's simple. It's made easy for us. And that's all it is. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Falls, the pleats are nice. Falls nicely. This is nice here. The back has got a lot of fabric. We don't have to worry about that. This one falls really nice. This here, this pleat depends on how much you want there. You can tighten this up as much as you want. You can loosen it up. It's up to you. Look at how nice that is. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. And it is so easy and so simple and so quick. Elegant, beautiful, quick, and easy. Can't stop that. That's all we need. We need to just be respectful, elegant, but it must be easy. It must be easy for us to do that. We're not rushing. You know, if we're in a rush, this is so easy. All you do is tie it. And even if you want to just, a variance, you can just bring this over onto here and give it a knot on this side. Don't need to tie it too tight. Just give it a knot, let it sit there, and you are good to go. It's just as easy as that. It's beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And all you need is one. You don't even need a pin there. You're pinning it in the back, and you wrap it. One tiny stick pin is sitting here. That's it. Well, I hope you like that, and I hope you are going to get some for yourselves, because it's just so easy. It's beautiful. So you must try it. I hope you like it. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please press the like button. Share it with your friends and family. And make sure, if you're here for the first time and you're still here, that means that's good for me, because you are still here. I love it. Press the subscribe button. Hit the all, so you will never miss an upload from Naz again. I do thank each and every one of you for being here and sharing this with me. Please stay safe. Take care of yourselves. You know, enjoy what's left of Ramadan. It's done. The month has gone by like that. Inshallah, I hope all of us would have achieved what we set out to do, given the opportunity to experience another Ramadan. I thank each and every one of you. Until we meet again, do stay safe, and thank you for watching. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.